It's possible I was wrong about the MoonSwatch. I have been very vocal in my disdain for these watches in the past, and it's not without reason. They are expensive, they are hard to get hold of, there is a lot of hype around them, and that in turn brings quite a lot of, well, negative commentary. But up until now, I haven't actually used one. And I've spent the last week or two with this on my wrist, and yeah, I was wrong. I want one. This is the MoonSwatch Mission to Earth phase, and the reason why I've got this one in particular is because it has a first of its kind complication. It's the only watch in the world that gives you a moon phase complication, but looking back on itself. And look, it might be a bit of a gimmick, right? Who actually needs to know the position of the Earth relative to the moon's surface? But given the tie-in to the Omega Speedmaster and its moon landing credentials, I think it's a perfect watch for it. But more than anything else, I've actually been really impressed with the build quality on this. A lot of people bemoan the build quality of these, and I sort of get it, but the people who say it feels like plastic, I'm not sure I agree. I mean, it's lightweight and it's not metal, but it's a product based on ceramic, and if you've ever held a ceramic watch, you know exactly what that feels like, and it's this. I do think it's let down by the strap. This cheap Velcro strap is a bit naff, but they have just released a rubber strap that you can throw on there, and there's loads of aftermarket options as well, so it's not too much of an issue. And of course the other problem with it is that you can't really get one very easily unless you happen to live near a watch store that sells them. It's a bit of a pain, but I do think it's worth it. I really do, and I didn't expect to say that coming out of this. Look, I really wasn't a big fan of these, but for just having a little something fun in your collection, yeah, I can see why the hype is so real.